Howdy, what are we doing, bud?
Well, we'll show you.
Getting there. See if we can get fuel from the pump. Running.
I'm not touching it.
Let me see. I don't think it's drawn fuel yet from the tank.
Okay. So bad.
Like so bad it's good?
15.1, 63, oil temp's coming up, fuel's at 37, water temp, and ready? Wait.
Alright, let her warm up now.
Yeah, baby.
And then I'll adjust the carb. Look at that,
That's
boys.
what I'm talking about.
Wow.
Alright, this is the update video. We'll let you guys go for the moment. We got some things to move, and hopefully it will go out on its